What's up, everyone? Today, we're turning a simple box of baking soda into your new secret weapon. I've got 8 genius-level hacks that will blow your mind and change how you see this everyday powder. We're talking cleaning, fixing, even putting out a fire. Seriously. These are practical, money-saving tricks you'll want to try right away. Ready to see baking soda in a whole new light? Let's dive in. Here are 8 genius baking soda hacks you have to try. Let's face it, nothing ruins your appetite faster than opening your fridge and getting hit with a wave of mystery stink. But don't worry, because today, I'm going to show you how to fix that stinky fridge for good, and it's way easier than you think. Forget those pricey, chemical-filled deodorizers you see at the store. All you really need is a simple, open box of baking soda, something you probably already have in your pantry right now. Just tear off the top, pop it open, and place it on a shelf in the back of your fridge. No need for any fancy containers or extra steps. Here's the science. Baking soda doesn't just cover up bad smells. It actually neutralizes odors at the source, absorbing those nasty molecules so your fridge stays fresh. I put this to the test with the smelliest foods I could find. Blue cheese, garlic, fish, even leftover takeout. You name it, I tried it. After just 24 hours, my fridge smelled like new. Seriously, there was no trace of any stink left behind. It was like a breath of fresh air every time I opened the door. And the best part? It's the cheapest, easiest way to keep your fridge fresh. No complicated steps, no expensive gadgets. There's no mixing, no special containers, and no mess. Just set it and forget it. It's truly effortless. One box works for up to 3 months. Just swap it out every season, and you're good to go. It's maintenance made easy. You'll save money, avoid harsh chemicals, and never have to hold your breath when opening the fridge again. This is a must-try hack for every kitchen, whether you cook a lot or just store leftovers. Don't waste your cash on fancy products that promise the world. Baking soda does the job better, and for a fraction of the price. My trusty smell-o-meter went from the danger zone to fresh and clean in just a day. That's proof you can see and smell. Science and my nose both agree this is a 10 out of 10 hack. You'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. So do yourself a favor, go grab a box of baking soda and put it in your fridge right after this video. You'll thank yourself later. No more mystery smells, no more embarrassment when guests come over, just clean, fresh air every single time. It's that simple. Hack number 1 is a total game changer. Ready for the next one? Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming up. Baking soda is just getting started. There are so many more ways it can make your life easier. Trust me, it only gets crazier from here. You're about to be amazed. On to the next hack. Let's keep the magic going. Next, let's tackle the impossible burnt pans. I made a disaster on purpose, caked on burnt mess. Normally you'd scrub for ages or use harsh chemicals. Instead, mix baking soda with a little water to make a thick paste, spread it on the burnt spots and scrub gently with a sponge. The mild abrasiveness lifts grime while the baking soda breaks down grease. You'll see the gunk melt away with almost no effort. No scratches, no residue, just a sparkling clean pan. Works on stainless steel, ceramic, even inside your oven. It's all natural, food safe, and costs pennies. After a quick rinse, your pan looks brand new. Forget expensive cleaners, this is the only paste you need. Next time you have a kitchen disaster, reach for baking soda, it's magic in a box. Universal stain remover? Absolutely. Cheaper, safer, and unbelievably effective. This hack is a must for every kitchen. Try it once, you'll never go back. Seriously, it's that good. Ready for more? Let's keep going. Baking soda is just getting warmed up. Smelly carpets, baking soda to the rescue. Sprinkle it evenly over your carpet, don't be shy. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or overnight for tough odors. During this time, baking soda absorbs and neutralizes smells. After waiting, vacuum thoroughly to remove the powder and trapped odors. I tested this on a rug after a dog played on it all day. Wet dog smell, gone. No perfumes, no chemicals, just clean, neutral freshness. Your vacuum might even smell better. This is perfect for pet owners, parents, or anyone needing a carpet refresh. It's cheap, easy, and works like a charm. No need for store-bought powders, just sprinkle, wait, and vacuum. The result? A carpet that smells brand new. You'll be amazed at the difference. Try it on rugs, upholstery, or even car mats. Baking soda wins the microscopic battle for freshness. Reset your carpet to factory settings. Seriously, this hack is a lifesaver for any home. Give it a shot and breathe easy. On to the next genius use. Got a slow drain? Time for a science experiment that actually works. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by half a cup of white vinegar. Instantly, you'll see fizzing and bubbling, like a mini volcano in your sink. This reaction breaks down grease, soap, and minor clogs safely. Let it sit for 15-30 minutes, then flush with hot water, no toxic chemicals, no pipe damage. I tried this on a slow bathroom sink, now it drains instantly. It's fun, safe, and super cheap. Perfect for kitchen or bathroom clogs. Hear that bubbling? That's your drain getting clean from the inside out. After flushing, your pipes are clear and fresh. Skip the harsh drain cleaners. This hack is all you need. It's a must-know for every household. Next time your sink slows down, make a volcano. Simple, effective, and oddly satisfying. Ready for more? Let's keep going. Baking soda is unstoppable. Want a brighter, more confident smile without spending a fortune at the dentist or on pricey whitening kits? Everyday drinks like coffee, tea, and red wine can leave stubborn stains on your teeth, making them look dull over time. But here's a simple, almost free solution. Baking soda. Just mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with a few drops of water until you get a smooth, spreadable paste. Gently brush your teeth with this paste for about 1 minute. Remember, don't scrub too hard as you want to avoid damaging your enamel. Only use this trick once a week at most. Overdoing it can wear down your enamel, so moderation is key for healthy teeth. After rinsing thoroughly, you'll notice your teeth look and feel cleaner, smoother, and fresher. While it won't give you a blinding Hollywood white smile overnight, you'll see a real, visible difference in brightness. I compared my own before and after photos. My teeth definitely looked brighter and more polished. This is a perfect, quick boost before a big event, a date, or even just to feel more confident in your everyday life. Always remember, gentle brushing is key, and don't overdo it. Your enamel will thank you. For a safe, at-home whitening method, this baking soda hack is truly unbeatable and super easy to do. Forget about spending money on expensive strips or harsh chemical treatments. All you need is a little baking soda and water, two things you probably already have at home. Try it out and see the results for yourself. You might be surprised at how much brighter your smile can be. It's amazing what this simple, everyday powder can do. Smile brighter, spend less, and feel more confident. Another genius, budget-friendly use for baking soda. Ready to discover even more clever hacks? Let's see what else baking soda can do for you. On to the next hack. Don't miss it. Mosquito bites driving you crazy? Baking soda is your instant itch relief. Mix a tablespoon of baking soda with enough water to make a thick paste. Dab it directly onto the bite and cover the itchy area. Instantly, you'll feel a cooling, soothing sensation. Baking soda neutralizes the insect's saliva, stopping the itch fast. Let the paste dry for 10-15 minutes. It forms a crust that also reminds you not to scratch. After rinsing, the itch is gone, and redness is reduced. This works better than many expensive creams. Perfect for camping, barbecues, or any outdoor adventure. No chemicals, no pharmacy run, just kitchen magic. Relief is just a paste away. Next time you get bitten, skip the store and try this. It's a total game changer for summer. Fast, natural, and effective. Keep baking soda handy for instant relief. You'll never look at bug bites the same way again. Another reason to love this miracle powder. Ready for more? Let's keep going. Baking soda's versatility is wild. Think rinsing produce with water is enough? Think again. For truly clean fruits and veggies, soak them in a baking soda solution. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda per 2 cups of water. Let your produce soak for 15 minutes. Baking soda breaks down wax, pesticides, and residues that water can't touch. I tested this with apples. 1 in plain water, 1 in baking soda. The baking soda bath turned cloudy and yellowish, proof it's pulling off the gunk. After soaking, rinse with plain water. The difference is clear, the fruit feels clean, not waxy. This is the best way to prep your produce. Safer, cleaner, and more effective than commercial washes. Use this hack every time you bring home fruits and veggies. It's a simple step for healthier eating. Baking soda makes your food safer every single day. This next hack could genuinely save your life. Knowing how to put out a dangerous grease fire in your kitchen. Never, ever use water on a grease fire. It actually makes things much worse by spreading the flames and causing the fire to flare up. Instead, reach for baking soda and dump it directly onto the flames. It's a simple action, but it can make all the difference in an emergency. When baking soda is heated, it releases carbon dioxide gas, which smothers the fire by cutting off its oxygen supply. This stops the flames almost instantly. I tested this in a controlled setting, Oil caught fire, I dumped baking soda and the flames went out instantly. It was fast, effective, and surprisingly easy to do. It's simple chemistry at work, but the results are incredibly powerful and can prevent a disaster in seconds. Always keep a box of baking soda within arm's reach of your stove for emergencies. It's a small step that could make a huge difference. For small kitchen fires, this method is not only faster but also much less messy than using a traditional fire extinguisher. But remember, if the fire is large or out of control, don't try to handle it yourself. Call emergency services immediately and get to safety. For a small grease fire, though, baking soda can truly be a lifesaver. It's quick, effective, and easy to use. This is honestly the most important hack in this entire video, and it's something everyone should know. Just one box of baking soda could prevent a kitchen disaster and keep your family safe. Please share this tip with everyone you know. Safety first, always. You never know whose life you might save. Baking soda isn't just for cleaning or baking, it's a powerful tool for protecting your home and loved ones. Remember this hack and keep it in mind. You might need it one day. It's simple, safe, and incredibly effective. That's the true power of baking soda. One humble box, so many uses, and the potential to save lives. Let's wrap up with a quick recap of all the amazing things baking soda can do around your home. You won't believe how much this simple powder can accomplish. From cleaning to safety, it's a must-have in every household. That's it. 8 genius baking soda hacks that will change your life. From cleaning pans to putting out fires, this little box is a true superpower. Try at least one of these tricks this week and let me know your favorite in the comments. Got your own baking soda hack? Share it below. If you loved these tips, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.